Hi friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show how to make delicious chicken lasagna. Lasagna is an Italian dish made of stacked layers of thin flat pasta, alternating with fillings such as minced meat, tomato sauce and other vegetables. And not to forget about bechamel sauce and lots of cheese. If you are a vegetarian, then instead of meat, you can add veggies of your choice along with mushrooms in the red sauce. But whichever way you make, lasagna tastes absolutely delicious. So friends, let's get started with this yummylicious cheesy pasta recipe. For the chicken layering, I have taken here around 500 grams of minced chicken. For the red sauce layering, apart from chicken, you will need 2 large onions chopped, 4 large garlic pods minced, 4 tomatoes made into puree but not very fine, 1 bowl of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of pasta sauce, some finely chopped fresh parsley, and this is chicken stock into which I have added garlic, salt and pepper powder for seasoning. And now let's start with the cooking process. First, we will make the red sauce layering with minced chicken. For that, add around 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot, add the chopped onions into it. Now saute the onions for a while. Next, add the minced garlic. Give a quick stir. And now I will add the minced chicken, and on medium to high flame, we need to saute the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes until the chicken slightly changes its color. The chicken hasn't fried for more than 6 minutes. Next goes the tomato puree along with the tomato ketchup and the pasta sauce. Mix everything well until they are well combined. And now we will quickly season this with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of mixed herbs, and half teaspoon of chili flakes. Give this a quick mix. Finally, I will add the seasoned chicken stock. Mix this well. And now I will cover with a lid and let the chicken cook in this red sauce on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. In the meantime, we will make the white or bechamel sauce. For that, heat a pot and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter. I'm using here salted butter. Let the butter melt. Then goes 4 tablespoons of flour. Saute the flour in the butter until they are well combined. Keep the flame on low to medium. Now gradually add milk and keep on mixing and stirring until you get a lumps-free smooth sauce. To make my white sauce more creamy, I'm adding here 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. And I will quickly season the white sauce with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix this well. And our creamy white sauce is ready. Now let's check the chicken cooking in the red sauce. So the sauce has thickened slightly and this looks good. And now we shall start with the layering process. To bake the lasagna, take an oven safe dish and grease well with olive oil. First, pour a layer of white or bechamel sauce. Make sure the sauce covers the bottom of the entire dish. Next, I will place the pasta sheets on top of the white sauce like this. Then goes the juicy chicken in red sauce. Pour generously the red sauce with chicken. This juicy red sauce and the creamy white sauce will keep the pasta sheets moist as it gets cooked in the oven, and your lasagna will be very creamy and juicy with all the flavors. I'll sprinkle some chopped parsley. Then goes another layer of the white sauce. And lots of cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Be generous while adding the cheese. Repeat the process by layering pasta sheets. Again goes the chicken layering in red sauce. Evenly spread the chicken layering. Now again pour a layer of the white sauce. And not to forget about the cheese. The amount of cheese you add will make your lasagna very cheesy and yummy. Then comes the final layering of pasta sheets, chicken layering in red sauce, chopped parsley, and then a generous amount of the white sauce. Followed by grated cheddar cheese. And both mozzarella cheese slices. As well as grated mozzarella cheese on top. Finally, I will sprinkle some mixed herbs and some chili flakes on top. That's it. And now I will bake this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes in convection mode. And after 30 minutes, our cheesy chicken lasagna is now ready to be enjoyed hot. I will now cut and show a small portion of the chicken lasagna. It has turned out very soft, creamy and cheesy. Very gently I have to lift it up as it's heavy and very soft and creamy also. You can have a close look of it. Very cheesy indeed. And very carefully I need to transfer this to a serving plate. Here it goes. I've garnished it with fresh basil leaf. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious chicken lasagna recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you like my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more interesting recipes. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.